All right, so I'm gonna come back at you with a few exercises. I'm gonna keep it real simple. Gonna use the door handle. All right, just a few of them. I know you can do this at home. I wanna see your video. All right, so we're gonna come up, hips up, swing out, up and down. Giving yourself that 8 to 10. Bam. And switch it up. Switch sides, up and out. Again, 8 to 10. I'm gonna switch it up. Here we go. Holding on to the door with both hands. Coming back. Into that lunge. Bam. Breathing out. Gonna switch it up. Here we go. Bam. Breathing out. Tighten up on that core. And push. Gonna switch it up on you again. Out and out. In through your nose and out. Changing that side, out and out. Coming up on that lunge, holding, bam. Keeping my knees right above my toes, ankles. Breathing out. And there you got it. It's that easy. Keep fit, keep moving.